I'm quite actually happy to actually hear that. I'm more gentle instead of like using those straightforward, blunt, hurt people. Hi, I'm Vannessa. When I met him, he actually guided me through what kind of scenario that I'm actually facing. I am actually stuck with how to actually express how I feel. So I tell him that I seem to have like communication with friends. And I think that when I touches that part, right, my tone change. I get a bit like kind of emotion. So then he actually got me through again. I mean, what is the specific words that I actually say to friends, and then how it actually affect me. There's this news about the Taiwan train that actually got some kind of accident. So I have a group of friends like start talking about this thing, kind of criticize the Taiwan government, those people. They have no brain, why they are doing this thing, something like that. So at that point of time, I was like quite affected because I think there's people died during the accident. So I actually get a bit emotion and also work out. So I just tell them off. I kind of like, if you think that you are so capable, then you're going to be a minister lah. People is dying over there. They are feeling so sad. Then why you say this kind of like irresponsible things? I feel I have to be hypocrite to actually say words that people like to listen. And it actually kind of like pissed me off. Why can't I speak the truth? And then when people, they actually tell me off and expect me to kind of accept it. But when I tell them, they can't accept. So I was feeling a bit like not balanced. I couldn't communicate with my friends. From there, it's like I'm actually affected on how my friends treated me. Yeah. So he actually helped me to actually identify it for this issue. He actually shared with me is like the concentration is actually on me, on how I feel. He just shared with me that next time like you try using the words like I feel, in my opinion, maybe they won't feel that kind of offended, you see. So only that sentence actually struck me. It was like, I seem to be like keep on pointing finger, like try to be justice. So at that point of time, I was like, maybe I can try that. Then after that, I actually try out using like those magic words. Then I keep on try with my friends' conversation. So it seems like they are kind of like not feeling like scared or feel offended, and then they continue the conversation with me. At that point of time, I also feel like, wow, just a short sentence, a short words, actually it's like, it makes quite a lot of difference. The coach made me understand what I actually need, what is my problem. And because I shared with him that I go there with no answer, but after the first session, I get some answer. Frankly speaking, to me, I don't feel that I'm actually hurting them, because I feel that the moment when they say something, they are actually hurting other people also. So I just want to like make them have a taste, that I want to punish them with that kind of thinking, you see. Yeah. I'm quite actually happy to actually hear that. I'm more gentle instead of like using those straightforward, blunt, hurt people. And then I started to actually join some networking. And then one of my ex-colleagues, which we know for about 20 over years. So when after like we reconnect back again, he actually shared with me that you look so different, you sound so different when you communicate with people. And I asked him, is good or bad? And he said, yeah, it's very good. I see that you are improving. You are not so blunt.